Welcome to the Mind Flowic. Let's start today's session. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either on a chair or on the floor with a cushion. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Allow yourself to let go of any tension or stress that you may be holding in your body. Visualize a warm, calming light surrounding your body. This light represents peace and tranquility. Imagine the light filling you up from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. As the light fills you up, repeat the following affirmation to yourself silently or out loud. I am at peace with my body and my weight. I am in control of my appetite and my eating habits. Now, focus on your breath. As you inhale, imagine that you are breathing in calmness and relaxation. As you exhale, imagine that you are releasing any tension or stress that you may be holding in your body. As you continue to focus on your breath, visualize yourself in a peaceful and serene environment. This could be a beach, a forest, a meadow, or any other place that makes you feel calm and relaxed. Now, bring your attention to your appetite. Imagine that your appetite is like a small flame that you can control with your breath. As you inhale, imagine that you are gently blowing on the flame, causing it to flicker and dim. As you exhale, imagine that you are gently fanning the flame, causing it to grow stronger and brighter. Continue to visualize yourself in control of your appetite and your eating habits. Imagine yourself making healthy and nourishing choices when it comes to food and feeling satisfied and content with the portions that you eat. As you continue to visualize, repeat the following affirmation. I am in control of my appetite and my eating habits. I choose healthy and nourishing foods that support my body and my weight goals. Now, imagine that you are surrounded by a circle of support and encouragement. Visualize your loved ones, your friends, and your support system cheering you on as you make healthy choices and manage your weight. As you continue to visualize, repeat the following affirmation. I am supported and encouraged in my weight management journey. I am worthy of love and acceptance, no matter what my size or shape. Allow yourself to bask in the feeling of control and support. Know that you have the power to make healthy choices and manage your weight, and that you are deserving of love and acceptance at any size. When you are ready, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Open your eyes and bring yourself back to the present moment.